Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best diamond painting light is probably one of the most essential tools for any diamond painting enthusiast, transforming your crafting experience from a dimly lit hobby into a brightly illuminated passion, ensuring every tiny rhinestone sparkles with perfection and making intricate details pop with clarity, ultimately enhancing your ability to place each diamond with precision and enjoy the process more than ever before. Number 5. ARTDOT A4 LED Light Pad. Tired of squinting at tiny numbers and symbols? This light pad provides exceptional brightness, making every detail crystal clear. It helps reduce eye strain and boosts your efficiency, even on the most intricate designs. With 3 adjustable brightness levels, you can customize the light to suit any project or environment. Find the perfect illumination for your diamond painting, drawing, or tracing needs. Its lightweight and slim profile make it incredibly easy to move around your workspace. Take it with you wherever inspiration strikes, whether you're working indoors or enjoying the outdoors. This isn't just for diamond painting. Use it for drawing, tracing, and a variety of other creative projects. It's a versatile tool that meets diverse needs, saving you time and money. Everything you need is included to get started right away. With the right accessories, your diamond painting experience will be smoother and more enjoyable from the very beginning. What we like? This light pad offers exceptional brightness to make symbols clear, reducing eye strain during long sessions. Its adjustable brightness levels cater to various lighting needs, ensuring comfort. If you're looking for a reliable tool that enhances visibility and reduces fatigue for intricate diamond painting, this is a great choice. What people say. The light is very bright and illuminates the canvas well, making it easier to see the small diamonds. It's adjustable, so you can change the brightness and color temperature to suit your preference. The flexible gooseneck allows you to position the light exactly where you need it. Number 4. A4 ultra-thin portable LED tracing light box. Experience ultimate portability with this ultra-thin tracing light box. Its slim profile makes it incredibly easy to carry wherever inspiration strikes. Customize your lighting experience with stepless brightness adjustment. Find the perfect level of illumination for detailed work, all with a simple touch. Enjoy bright, even, and flicker-free LED lighting that's easy on your eyes. The long-lasting LEDs ensure a consistent and comfortable workspace. From drawing and sketching to animation and diamond painting, this tool is perfect for a wide range of artistic endeavors. Unleash your creativity on various projects. Powered by a standard USB cable, it's ready to go with your computer, power bank, or USB plug. Just plug it in and start creating. It features an intuitive touch sensor for effortless control. Remember to remove the protective film before use for the best viewing experience. What we like? Experience seamless brightness control with its stepless dimming feature, providing the perfect light for any task. The flicker-free, ultra-bright LEDs ensure a comfortable viewing experience. If you appreciate fine control over your lighting and a sleek, portable design for various art forms, this light box is ideal. What people say. The light is bright and even, making it easy to see the diamonds. It's very lightweight and portable, perfect for crafting on the go. The adjustable stand allows for perfect positioning at any angle. Number 3. 10x Magnifying Desk Lamp with Light and Timer. This versatile magnifying lamp provides bright, clear illumination for all your close-up tasks. Its flexible gooseneck allows you to position the light exactly where you need it, reducing eye strain during extended work sessions. Experience a distortion-free, 10x magnified view with its large, high-definition lens. It's perfect for detailed work like crafts, reading, miniature painting, and intricate repairs. Tailor your lighting experience with 3 color modes and 10 adjustable brightness levels. Achieve the perfect, glare-free illumination for any activity, from sewing to model building. The 360 degrees adjustable gooseneck and sturdy clamp ensure the magnifier stays securely in place. Position it precisely for comfortable and efficient close-up work on various surfaces. Assembly is a breeze, so you can start working right away. We also offer 24/7 customer service for any questions or concerns you may have. What we like? This tool combines a powerful 10x magnifier with adjustable lighting to bring intricate details into sharp focus. With 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels, you can customize your illumination for any project. If you need precision for detailed work like miniature painting, jewelry making, or complex diamond painting, this magnifier lamp is perfect. What people say. The light is very bright and evenly distributed, making it easy to see the diamonds. The adjustable stand is a great feature, allowing you to position the light exactly where you need it. It's lightweight and portable, so you can easily move it around your workspace. Number 2. LIRUNQIU 59 PCS Diamond Painting A4 LED Light Pad Kit. Discover the ultimate diamond painting experience with this comprehensive 59-piece accessory set. It includes everything you need to enjoy this creative art form to the fullest. Our kit features 4 adhesive pens and a 28-grid storage container, along with 59 tools designed to enhance your crafting sessions. Keep everything tidy and accessible while you create. This upgraded A4 LED light pad is perfect for diamond painting. It helps you clearly see the small numbers on your canvas, making the process smoother and more enjoyable. Enjoy greater freedom with our extended 2-meter USB cable, longer than other kits. Connect it to your PC or a charger to paint wherever inspiration strikes. This kit is not just for diamond painting, it's also ideal for cross-stitch embroidery, sketching, and drawing. It's perfect for both adults and children looking to explore their creativity. We are confident you'll love this diamond painting accessory set. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return it for a full refund. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes an A4 LED light pad and a wide array of essential diamond painting accessories, all designed to enhance your crafting experience. Its longer USB cable offers greater freedom in placement. If you're a beginner or looking for an all-in-one solution with everything you need to get started or continue your diamond painting journey, this kit is a fantastic value. What people say. The light is bright and illuminates the canvas well. It's adjustable and can be positioned easily. The size is perfect for my diamond painting area. Number 1. 5D Diamond Painting LED Magnifier Lamp. Introducing the ultimate tool for your diamond painting hobby. This innovative lamp is designed to make every detail crystal clear. Featuring powerful 4x and 6x magnification, it ensures that even the smallest symbols are easy to read, bringing precision to your craft. The bright LED light provides perfect illumination, helping you precisely place each bead. It's especially beneficial for those who need a little extra visual aid. With its upgraded flexible gooseneck and a strong clamp, you can easily adjust the height and angle for optimal comfort and visibility while you work. Simply insert batteries, and it's ready to go. Its portable design allows you to take it anywhere your creativity leads you. Enjoy a hassle-free crafting experience. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty. Enjoy peace of mind as you create your next masterpiece. What we like. This device integrates a powerful LED light with 4x and 6x magnification, making it easy to see and place small beads accurately. It's battery operated, offering true portability without being tethered to a power source. If you need a convenient, portable solution for diamond painting or cross-stitch that helps with visual clarity anywhere you go, this is an excellent option. What people say. The light is bright and even, making it easy to see the diamonds. It's thin and flexible, so it doesn't take up much space. The adjustable brightness levels are great for different lighting conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.